Hey everyone, I'm Sartaj. I'm on the Comet team. So, is that right? What is Comet? Comet is a weighted pool AMM being built on Sorbar. Now, why are we just making a Uniswap fund? Why are we just making a standard X times Y equals A? Well, standard Uniswap type AMMs face two main problems. One, high current loss, and two, limited liquidity provisioning opportunities. So we take a look at the first example. We have an example pool 50-50 of XLM and USDC. In the scenario that XLM goes up 100% in value, you're going to face a current loss of 5.7%. Now, let's take a note of that number. We'll lead on the next slide. The second example, well, you can only provide two assets maximum. Pretty limited options. The solution, a multi-asset weighted pool implementation. Now, take a look at the first example again. XLM goes up 100% in value, and you can change the weight distribution to be an 80-20 pool. Well, now the end user is going to face 3.27% ILM. Now, this may not seem like a big difference from 5.7 to 3.27, but in fact, this is actually roughly 74% difference in the permanent loss space for the end user. And secondly, we can support up to 8 assets, a lot more choice for LPs. So we take a step back. Why Comet? What's the bigger picture? Well, we want to connect DeFi to the real world. We want to power use cases like FX and index products. And this segues nicely into us being a DeFi primitive. Many DeFi ecosystems rely on AMMs and lending and borrowing protocols to be the building blocks of the ecosystem. We expect Sorbonne to be no different. We want to power many products that build on top of Comet, on top of our core contracts. Now this is a quick demo of creating a liquidity pool. Just sped it up here, but you can select many options. You can select weights, you can select different sort of assets and different weight distribution. In this example, we just provide 3 assets. You can name the pool, you can deploy it, and there's going to be a bunch of transactions that you're going to sign, and then the pool is going to be created. Awesome. So what are our next steps, and what is the progress been so far? Well, V1 is pretty much, it's live for everybody to take a look at. It's open source, it's available on GitHub. You can fork it, you can play around with it on FutureNet. We're also integrating with Blend Capital, which is a lending and borrowing protocol, also being built on Sorba, and Comet is going to be powering their backstop liquidity module. And our immediate next steps afterwards is we're going to be implementing Comet V2, which is going to introduce the stable swap features, and a smart order routing system, so we're going to have much more optimized and multi-hops, saving users even more fees. After V2 is done, we're going to have everything fully audited, because we understand security is paramount. So in summary, what does Comet achieve? Lower costs for end users, greater liquidity provisioning opportunities for LPs, being a core DeFi primitive, and connecting DeFi to the real world. And this is our GitHub link, and if you have any questions or have any integration requests, feel free to find me afterwards.